Kitty's learning to walk on a leash. Come on, Kitty. I don't know if she likes it, but she'll be a lot safer. So, she's pretty much acts like a dog, so I thought, let's teach her to walk on a leash. Come on, Kitty, let's go see if Daddy's doing chores. All we had to do was give the animals water. Come on, here, Kitty. Come on. She's not sure what she thinks about it. So, have you ever had a cat on a leash? Most cats probably wouldn't do good, but I think Kitty will when she gets the idea because she's been okay with it so far. She's just not quite sure. Come on, Kitty, let's go see Daddy. Here, Kitty, come on. Come on, Kitty. Give her time. So, okay, guys, I guess we'll see Clay in a few minutes as Kitty's learning to walk on her leash. She will be a cat on a leash. So, okay, guys, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.